This is review of OMT 31-piece radiator pressure tester and vacuum filler kit. I use this kit for about 6 months now and I've been very pleased. And it comes with user manual, has all needed operation instructions, also shows what vehicles each kit fits, and as I said earlier, there are 31 pieces. That should fit pretty much any car models there are out there. I personally use it for Mercedes ML350. I had a leak in a radiator and I used this adapter with this pressure pump and it showed me exactly where leak was coming from. Just visually inspecting the vehicle I could not find it, but with this tester it took me less than a minute to find the leak. That was about 6 months ago. Now I have another leak in this same vehicle. So I'm gonna do a demonstration now. I'm gonna use same adapter, pressure tester, and we'll see where leak is coming from. Just like last time, I look around and I cannot see where it's coming from. It is possible it's coming from the cap, but this looks like it's old, so I doubt it. I do smell coolant here, just can't find the leak. Now that it's hooked up, all we need is add about 10 psi. Now let's look for leak. I'm gonna remove this cover, see if it's leaking from a thermostat area. Okay, I found leak, it's not here. Right there, so there is a leak for sure. So that's what we're gonna replace. So as you can see with this tool, that's another time where I was able to find coolant leak in this vehicle fairly quick. So this kit definitely already paid for itself. Twice in 6 months I found leaks here in different areas. And comes with a bunch of adapters. What's interesting is this whole kit costs less than MacTools pressure tester. And with this one you just get a couple adapters. And I think it costs at least twice less than this kit. And a lot less than this complete kit. On top of it, this kit costs about same as just this Mercedes adapter. So in my opinion, that's definitely a great buy. As far as coolant system refiller, it works pretty much same as MacTools one. Same thing. This one costs a lot more than this whole kit. With this, we'll just release pressure, since we already know where leak is coming from. Easy to remove. I also have 2013 Subaru Outback here. No issues with coolant leaks. But since it's here, let's see how well pressure tester gonna work here. Let's try this one. And this one fits well. Very good. Same thing, plug this in. And I'll do about 10 psi. And this adapter even better, there is no way it's gonna leak from here. It's holding it. About 10-15 minutes passed. It's holding pressure fairly well. I think a little bit is gone, so maybe it's leaking through here. But just tiny bit. Could be that it's leaking from here though. I also have here 2006 Honda Ridgeline, so let's test it on this one as well. I'll try this one first. Fits easy, nice fitment. And that's a different attachment, it's not the same one I used for Subaru. Same thing, let's do 10 psi. Ten minutes passed, still holds pressure, really good. Very easy to remove. I think you cannot go wrong with this kit, and you'll save a lot of money by buying this instead of name brand kits. With Mac Tools tester, I lost maybe 2 less PSI overnight, but I don't think that matters when you're trying to find a coolant leak. So that's my review of this coolant tester. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. I'll provide the Amazon affiliate link for this tool. If you'll purchase it through my link, it will definitely help this channel and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.